How to change the date format on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we then scroll down, and in here tap on General. After that, we scroll down and tap on Language and Region. Then we scroll down and tap on Date Format. And from the list here, select a format that you would like to use. So you've got short format, medium format, long format, and full format. So select one of the available options. So for example, if I select this one right here, it's got 19.08.2024. So if I go back to my, say, messages, you can see the format in the text here shows 12.10.2024. If I change the date format now to, say, this format, so 19/August/2024, you can see it changes the format. And that's it. Finally, swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.